Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is mushroom stroganoff. It's hearty and healthy and really simple to make and bound to be a hit at the dinner table. First up, into a pan on medium to high heat, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter, and to that we're going to add in half a finely diced onion. And we're going to cook those for 1 to 2 minutes till the onions become soft and just start to brown. Next we're going to add in the mushrooms. Now I like to chop them so they're nice and thick, as they do wilt down while cooking. Next we're going to add in the salt and pepper. Giving that a good mix through. We're then going to cook the mushrooms down for a further few minutes until they begin to soften. Next we're going to add in the garlic and give that a good mix through. Then while the mushrooms are cooking down for a further couple of minutes, we're now going to put our pasta of choice on to cook as per the packet instructions. Next we're evenly going to spread out 3 tablespoons of plain flour. To that we're then going to add in the vegetable stock. Giving that a good mix through to make sure all the flour has dissolved and there aren't any lumps. We're then going to reduce the temperature down to a medium to low heat and let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Once that sauce has thickened up, we're going to add in the parsley and the thyme. The Worcestershire sauce, the nutmeg, and the sour cream. And give that a good mix together, turning off the heat until well combined. And then you're ready to serve it up. Once plated up, top it off with a little bit of parsley and you're done. Oh yeah, it's so good. A simple yet delicious meal that's definitely one of my go-to dinners. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I always appreciate it, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!